We are back. Hello. And today we're talking about the effects feature. So, depending on your Instagram, you may or may not have access to all of these effects. Recently, some laws were passed in some states that banned certain effects because of AI and who even knows? And of course, the state I'm in, Texas, is one of them. But I just want to show you a couple ways that you can use effects and save them for yourself, so that you can actually create a signature look for yourself using effects. One of the things that I find really cool is that you can do all kinds of. There's just so many effects, so we're not going to talk about all of them. I'm just going to show you how to find them, save them, and use sort of one or two that could be useful, and we're going to definitely incorporate them as we go into the week. So first off, you're going to see right here on your camera, you'll see the three little stars. Okay, that's how you would reach the effects. Now, if you use Instagram stories, you probably see these effects in that this right here, these are actual effects. They're suggesting effects for you to use. There are ways for effects to be used virally, and so sometimes if an effect is viral right now, they're going to suggest that. Also, these are ones that you can save. So let's say I see this Jurassic Park one, right? And I like this one. You'll see down here at the bottom, the title of it's called Jurassic Rex by MBCG. And to the left of it is a bookmark. So if I want, I can actually bookmark this and save it. I'll show you how to get to your bookmarks. Now, right next to it, you're going to see the Reels logo, and that's how I go back to my regular Reels camera. If you want to reach effects, so if I tap on those three stars, let's go back to tap on the three stars, it's going to open up the effects library. This is really cool because you can search right over here on the left. I can search for something. Let's say I want to find something with a banana in it. It's going to then give me all kinds of different fonts that have something to do with a banana, right? Maybe I want to be a banana head for a reel. It uses this AI technology to do that. At the top left, if I want to bookmark that, I can. Over in the top right, it's going to show me reels that have used the Banana Head app, right? So I can find out if this is a trending effect. If I want to find, I know for a lot of women who don't want to do makeup all the time, but you want to make a reel, you can find effects that make your skin look even and make your skin glow, right? And that's a really cool thing. So when you're here, I just want you to notice there's a blue square around the effect that I currently am using, and then I'm getting a preview of it right up here at the top of what that effect can look like. If I remove my glasses, you can see my skin's glowing a little bit. All I have to do is tap again on the preview, and it will open up my camera, and I've now applied this effect to my skin. So if I have Maverick kept me up all night and I got rings under my eyes, maybe I want to use a feature like this. In fact, I might bookmark this. Now, I suggest bookmarking and saving ones you like because there's just so many effects and they are so hard to find. Another way that you can access the search tool in effects is you can slide all the way to the right. You can, now you can just tap on that. I know what I was going to show you. So if we go, let's say we close out of that and we go to Broadway Husbands, I want to show you what it looks like on our account because it might look different on yours. Now it's going to have all over here the bookmarked effects that I've got, right? But up here is now where the effects live on this camera. And again, it opens up the library here. I've got this one bookmarked and saved. What I want you to notice too is, so we've got the search, we've got the bookmarks. These are the ones I've saved. Then this is all of the effects that are currently trending. And then if I click on trending, it's going to tell you again here which ones are trending. Maybe I want to make my eyes like some weird cute, I don't know who's using that. And then reels here, Starry Night, Scanline. I can play around with a lot of these different things. This is pretty cool. So this kind of leads to my next point. People really like a glitter thing if they want to glow. But there's really cool effects here like Scanline, where if I tap on this, this is like green screen, which I'll show you in a minute. It's once I've clicked on Scanline, you'll see right here, it's going to say add media. If I go to add media, I can choose this photo of me and my husband with Maverick, and it's going to, let's see. It's giving you all these options here too. There's us, and then it sort of disappears. And then if I tap and hold, it'll start to record, and it's gonna scan and put me like in the photo, right? So there's a lot of really cool AI technology, things like this, that I think are really cool. So playing around with effects, I want to show you as well. If you're scrolling through, God, I love Rockettes. If you're scrolling through the Reels feed and you see a piece of content you like and you like their effect, you're going to see right here above their name, their handle, you're going to see what effect they use. In fact, right now it just lit up, says use simple. If I tap on that, it's going to open up the Reels family tree for this effect. This one's called Simple Filters by Ava. It has 13.7 reels that have used it. So it's, it's relatively small, but the most trending is 246. This might be something like, again, if you're somebody who wants to not have to do makeup all the time, finding an app like this that kind of evens out your skin is a great choice. And then it's going to suggest the audio that was attached to that effect as well. Another great reason to use an effect that's trending is if you create an audio using a trending effect and someone uses that and they suggest your audio, it can push your reel out into the trends. So effects are another sort of underused, underappreciated tool here on Instagram. I want you to go in and play around and find the ones you want to use. I would highly suggest, for the purposes of our upcoming Reels, 21 Days of Reels, I'm going to just show you the ones I think you should definitely go looking for. In my bookmarks, I would look for green screen. I'm going to show you how to use that. You've probably seen other people use this. I open green screen, I can add media, pop that in, and I can say, this is me and my husband and our son, and I can even make myself smaller if I want to talk about what's happening in this. This is a great tool. You can use video or photo, and if you want to talk about a popular trend in your niche or something that's happening that that you think is toxic to your brand or to your niche, you can put yourself as an expert and talk about it like it's a PowerPoint even. Another tool down here is called Mockup. I know you've seen me use this. You can actually change the background if you tap on the background. But here, same thing. I can add media. I might screen record myself doing something. Let's see. Maybe I'll use this. And I want to show you what that would look like on the iPhone. I can put that media in there. And now this is called iPhone Mockup. And this is great for if you're teaching anything that's on a phone. But literally, you can find a mock-up of anything in the effects folder. So if I just type in search mock-up, oops. Oh my God, my thumb is like so fat right now. Okay, mock-up. I can scroll through and I can see there's the iPhone mock-up. But maybe I have I don't have an iPhone. Maybe I have a different, or a tablet, right? Here's a tablet mock-up, and I can, again, show a little bit of what this would look like on someone's tablet, right? really fun effects for you to play with and find and bookmark those so that you have them and start to play around. I think that effects, again, like I said, is underused. Scrolling through reels, I want you to start to notice and pay attention when an effect is suggested to you, like this green screen one here, right? And if you like it, you can save it and add it to your own bookmarks. All right, that is your effects tutorial. Again, when we get into making reels, we're going to use more effects. I just want you to get in there today, play around, tag me in your stories, let me know how that's going. And if you need support, me and my team are here in the comments. Just leave a comment down below, or I'll see you Sunday when we go live on Zoom. Bye.